In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to Outlook. Emojis can add clarity, tone, and a bit of personality to your emails, and Outlook on Windows gives you two simple ways to use them. I'll walk you through both, along with a few tips to make everything smooth and predictable for your recipients. First, let's use the ribbon in a new email message. Open a new email and make sure your cursor is in the message body. Go to the Insert tab across the top. In the Symbols section, select Symbol, then choose More Symbols. This opens the symbol dialog, which is where Outlook lets you pick characters from different fonts. In the font drop-down, choose Seagull UI emoji. This is important because emojis live in this font on Windows. Next, set the subset drop-down to Extended Characters Plain 1. That subset contains the colorful emoji range. You can now scroll to explore the available emojis. When you see the one you want, double-click it to insert it into your email. You can keep inserting as many as you like before closing the dialog. They'll appear in line with your text, and they'll scale with your text size, so if you increase your email's font size, the emojis will grow accordingly. Now let's look at the faster method using a keyboard shortcut in Windows. Place your cursor exactly where you want the emoji to appear in the message body. Press the Windows key and the period, or the Windows key and the semicolon. That opens the Windows emoji panel. From here, you can click an emoji to insert it instantly. You can also start typing a keyword, like smile or thumbs, to search. Use your arrow keys to move through options and press Enter to insert. The panel also remembers frequently used emojis and has tabs for different categories, which makes it quick to add a few in a row. A couple of helpful notes. Emoji appearance can vary slightly depending on the recipient's device and software, so small differences in color or style are normal. If you're not seeing colorful emojis and only see black and white glyphs, make sure you chose the Seagull UI emoji font in the symbol dialog, and keep Windows and Outlook updated for the best results. Finally, aim for clarity in professional emails. Emojis can be great for emphasis, but use them sparingly to keep your message easy to read. That's all you need to add emojis to Outlook using the Insert menu or the Windows emoji panel. Thanks for watching.